Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold and silver corrected sharply. Gold is fallen by 1.44% and closed at 51,269. Silver also fallen by 2.23% and closed at 65,569. Gold and silver are expected to trade lower for today on the back of strength in dollar, as global equity market is trading higher as investor cheered sign for progress in US China trade negotiation, and also taking positive cues from vaccination of COVID-19, and also US Food and Drug Administration moved to allow the blood plasma treatment. So this will create some positivity in global equity market, and due to this we saw some profit booking in gold and silver. So today we expect again in profit booking in gold and silver. So gold has a strong support at 50,800, resistance at 51,800. Silver has a strong support at 64,800, resistance at 67,500. So the trend of gold and silver is negative. So we recommend sell in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's move on base metal. Yesterday base metals also corrected sharply. Copper corrected by 0.80% and zinc also corrected by 1.55%. Copper has a strong support at 508 September contract and resistance at 518. Zinc has a strong support at 191, resistance at 196. We expect some profit booking in base metal, but we recommend buy on dips as global equity markets is recovering and industrial demand of the base metal has been increased. So we expect some buy on dip strategy in base metal. So we recommend buy in copper and zinc for intraday perspective. So trader can go for buy in copper and zinc for intraday. Now let's talk about the crude oil prices. Yesterday energy segment trade on a sideways trend. Crude oil increased by 0.35% and closed at 3166 level. In international market, crude oil is trading around $42.50 per barrel. It's also showing some positive trend in crude oil prices. However, the prices were saw in a range bound movement. Crude oil has a strong support at 3080, resistance at 3210. We expect a positive trend may seen in crude oil prices, so we recommend buy in crude oil prices on a dip. Now let's talk about the natural gas segment. Natural gas yesterday increased by 7.8% and closed at 189.50. The trend of natural gas is positive, so we recommend buy in natural gas for intraday perspective. Natural gas has strong support at 184, resistance at 193. Traders can go for buy in natural gas as the trend of natural gas is positive. We expect that you will be benefited from this commentary and podcast. So thank you very much.